Hello, good evening, Janril. So I'm glad that you have responded positively on the exit interview to our Music for All program. This interview aims to evaluate and improve the program. So thank you so much for your time and effort. I messaged you earlier the questions so that you can prepare and answer the question properly. So I hope na isinulat mo yung sagot mo sa papel para hapsay at diretso-diretso yung pagsagot mo. Okay, so Janril, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. To start our interview, please introduce yourself briefly.
So, first of all, good evening, sir. I
Yeah.
am General James S. Rosaldes. I'm a
Mhm.
grade 11 STEM student. I'm a former SPA Music Arts student, and I'm currently an assistant student of yours in
Yeah.
school. I am the leader of the Rondalia Group Ensemble and also the Violin Group Ensemble.
Okay, thank you, Janril. So, syempre, ikaw yung masaligan ko na student, okay, sa Rondalia Ensemble Group and also the Violin Ensemble Group sa ating school. Okay? So, for the opening question, how would you describe your overall experience studying this core subject Music Ed 208? What stands out the most to you?
So, my overall experience was really great because I
Okay?
learned new things, especially on the perspective of the Kodai method.
Okay. So, your experience is great and
Yeah.
you learned much in a new perspective in uh, note reading or rhythm uh, rhythm reading and sight reading in the perspective of Kodai method. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so this is your second question. Okay, can you share specific skill or concept in music education that you feel you've mastered or significantly improved upon during your studies?
So the things that I've learned basically is the speech rhythm of the Kodai method. I thought that there was only one reading method, which is counting rhythm, which I learned during Arandalia class and also the violin class. Because of the program, I learned I learned that other perspective in not um uh, sorry, let me let me go back.
Okay, go.
Because of this program, I learned the other perspective in note dictation, commonly known the speech rhythm of Kodai, which is very useful in reading difficult rhythms.
Okay, so very good answer. So you learned a new perspective in reading
Yes, note
notes.
reading.
Yan, because during our workshop, okay, tinuruan ko kayo on counting, okay, counting method sa pagbabasa ng nota.
Notes.
And then here comes you learned a new perspective in note reading, yung perspective ni Kodai. Okay?
Yeah.
So, next question. So, very good answer, Janril. Um, how have you applied what you've learned in practical settings? Example, teaching, performing, composing. Could you share an experience where you successfully use your music education in real world practice? Okay, I repeat. How have you applied what you've learned in practical settings? Example, teaching, performing, composing. Could you share an experience where you successfully use your music education in real world practice?
Okay. So, for an example, in our school, we frequently perform rondalia and violin in different activities inside and outside of our school. During group practices, our teachers give us a piece to study and to exercise. Since I was included in the MAL program and studied basic speech rhythm and basic solfege, it helps me a lot in understanding pieces and rendered it correctly. I also help my colleagues on how to play the pieces and apply what I learned in MAL program.
Okay, so thank you for your answer. Okay, let's proceed to our next question. Para I think kinakabahan ka siguro, no? So, okay, so relax lang, okay? Okay. Buti na lang nasulat mo yung ano yung yung
Yung mga
answers mo. Okay, sige. Okay, let's proceed to our next question. So, what was the most challenging aspect of your music education and how did you overcome it? Do you feel more prepared to handle similar challenges in the future?
okay.
Okay. I will
So
repeat. I will repeat. Okay. What was the most challenging aspect of your music education and how did you overcome it? Do you feel more prepared to handle similar challenge in the future? You go.
so what I experienced, one of the most challenging aspect of being a music education, which I experienced was the conflict of my time schedule. I am a leader of our rondalia and violin group in our school, and I'm also an athlete in dance sports. There are times that both schedules meet and cause conflicts in my time schedule. Both of my teachers said that I need to improve and balance my schedules. That what I learned in this situation is the art of communication.
Wow.
I learned
Okay.
how to appeal special I learned how to appeal specially on the schedules of practice. In that way, I can show proper communication and respect to my music teacher and also my dance instructor.
Okay. So sa totoo lang, kinakabahan talaga ako nung ano yung nag-conflict yung ating ano rehearsal. Kasi at that time
Medyo na-stress
kasi you at that time you have a tawag a dance
competition.
sport competition in provincial meet.
Yes,
Yes. And
yes.
also we have also an event and also a seminar, 'di ba? So as I in-invite kita to go with me in the UIC for the seminar of Music Pilipinas. 'Di ba 'yun, no? 'Yun ba 'yun? Oo, yung Music
Yes.
Pilipinas. And then akala ko nga your dance sport instructor hindi papayag. But fortunately pumayag naman. Kasi at the end after the seminar
Mm,
is yung competition yun na. So I remember that situation. Well, so very
yeah.
good question. So you learn about communication skills, tama? Okay, so importante talaga to communicate with your music teacher and also to your coach. Hangyo-hangyo lang. Tama? Okay.
Tama.
Okay, so let's proceed for the next question. Okay. Um, I think this is the last question. In what ways do you see yourself using the knowledge and skills gained from this program in your future career or personal life? How do you think it will shape your path moving forward?
Um,
Ulitin ko?
yes
Ulitin ko
po,
yung...
please
Oh,
po.
sige, sige, sige. In what ways do you see yourself using the knowledge and skills gained from this program in your future career or personal life? How do you think it will shape your path moving forward?
So the career path that I want to pursue in college is to take up the Bachelor in Music. The
Wow.
things
Okay.
I learned during in SPA and MAL program is very helpful. The skills and knowledge that I gained will be great and would be highly be advantage for me.
Yeah.
It is also to help my sideline in violin and guitar um ano, tutorials po, where I can
Okay.
apply teaching approaches and different perspective and method of teaching music. Ay,
Okay.
napatay.
Okay, so yung
Sorry, napatay.
okay, so this program yung MAL program is nakatulong talaga. It helps you a lot, okay, because it
Yes
teaches
po.
you not only how to read music in perspective of Kodai method but also the approaches. Kasi
Yes.
meron kang sideline, 'di ba?
Mm,
Can I ask kung ilan ba yung yung student mo na tinuturuan outside the school
outside. So, meron akong let's see, tatlong sa violin
o three
at,
violin?
ay wait, tatlo ba? So, mga apat ata. Apat, then dalawa sa guitar.
Okay, so
So, yun
very
lang.
good. So meron kang sideline. So mayaman ka siguro. Well, I think okay, 'di ba
Oy,
sinabi you have the 'di ba sinabi you learn the approaches. Okay?
yes.
Um sa apat mo sa 'di ba four violin at saka dalawa no, dalawang guitar, six student lahat.
Po.
Okay. Sa
Opo.
six students mo ba ginagamitan mo ba siya ng different approaches sa pagtuturo?
Yes po. Nakadepende na din po sa age at sa interest ng students ko po ang pag-approach po.
Okay. So depending on the age, siguro pag bata, so dapat maging parang kang clown na magturo para ma-sustain yung
Opo.
yung kanyang
Yung
yes, yung
ang
kanyang
interest.
attention. Unlike pag
Yeah.
adult naman, iba naman yung approach mo. Okay, so
Yes
very
po.
good answer. So I'm so very thankful that you have learned a lot in our program. Okay? At nakatulong kami sa iyong professional development as a musician. Okay? So how young are you, Janril? You are
Po, I'm currently 16 years old po.
oh wow, you're 16 years old at saka ngayon nagtuturo ka. Okay, sino ba yung mentor mo?
Siyempre ikaw.
Okay, thank you, Janril. Okay, so to end that, thank you, Janril, and I hope and pray that you will be successful in your dream to be a great music teacher. Okay, so this will be our end of our exit interview. So thank you very much for your time. And anong oras na
Thank you.
ba? It's already 9:30 in the evening.
9:30.
Opo. Thank you. So kanina I think nag-start tayo mga 7 pero lang tayo naka-start kasi nag-burn out.
O
Yeah.
kani.
Okay, so thank you
Sige
very
na.
much. Opo. So
Thank
God
you,
is
Dexter.
okay. So I will turn off the record button. Okay, God bless
Yes,
Janville.
sir.